Hi everybody, Brant Keller with Keller&Keller, your local full-time Southwest Florida realtor. And I'm excited today because we are going to tour a magnificent new construction home here at 13865 Collier Boulevard. Be sure to click the follow us for more videos and updates just like this one. Are you ready? Let's get going. So let's go inside and check out the interior of this luxury estate. Sporting 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths. A few things that I love about this property. Number one is the amazing high ceilings and all the natural light that's going to come in from the transom windows, the huge sliding glass doors. Right now, I'm standing in the kitchen where the island's going to be. This is going to be well-appointed chef's kitchen with luxury appliances. Still plenty of time for a buyer to choose what type of finishes they would like to have. The beauty about this is there's still plenty of time here to be able to pick your finishes, whether that be flooring, interior paint, etc. One of my favorite features is the master bath, which is going to feature not only a walk-in shower, but a beautiful soaking tub with a panoramic view of the 2.12 acres. Custom closets are going to be throughout. This master has a big linen closet that's going to be here, coffee bar, and then ultimately the master closet itself. Remember, we've got 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, and a half bath out back where the pool is located. The split bedroom design allows you to have your guests removed from the main part of the house and the main master bedroom. Over here we have 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths. And again, nice size closets that will be customized. All the windows are impact glass, hurricane proof. Everything is the latest code to keep you safe and sound. So that concludes today's tour of 13865 Collier Boulevard. This location, Naples, Florida, 34119, puts you in the best school zones there is, close to Founders Square and everything that is Naples right now. The growth out in this area is exponential, which means this property is going to only do one thing, and that is appreciate. So strike now while you have the opportunity to still pick your finishes and meet with the builder to discuss any type of last-minute ideas that you might have on the interior. Don't forget to check back with us by clicking follow us so that as we come through this house, when the drywall's in, the landscape's in, the pool deck is in, you'll be able to see the progress and how beautiful this property is coming together. Call me anytime at 239-770-5944 or simply email or text me. So I hope you enjoyed the video tour of this house and you agree with me that it is magnificent. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget, call, email, or text us anytime. And remember, we have lots of amazing properties throughout Southwest Florida, all types. So if you want to see something specific, feel free to hit us up. Don't forget to click the follow us button so that you can be updated as we look at more beautiful properties, more beautiful homes, and what's happening in Southwest Florida.